What happens when you take the most iconic silhouette in automotive history, strip it to its soul, and inject it with 700 horsepower of pure, unadulterated adrenaline? You get this, the Singer DLS Turbo. Welcome back to 1 Minute Auto Glimpse. Today we're looking at what might be the ultimate expression of the air-cooled 911. Singer has moved beyond restoration. This is high-art engineering. At the heart of this wide-bodied monster sits a 3.8-liter, twin-turbocharged flat-six. It doesn't just drive. It screams all the way to a 9,000 RPM redline. We are talking about over 700 horsepower, in a car that weighs significantly less than your average hatchback thanks to a full carbon fiber diet. The grip is relentless, the manual gear shifts are mechanical perfection, and that massive rear wing isn't just for show. It's a masterclass in aerodynamics, inspired by legendary endurance racers. Performance breakdown. The engine is a 3.8L twin-turbo flat-six, producing over 700 HP, paired with a 6-speed manual transmission and wrapped in a bespoke carbon fiber body. Pros. First, the visceral experience. It offers an analog feel that modern supercars simply cannot replicate. Second, the design is a flawless blend of motorsport heritage and futuristic precision. Finally, the exclusivity. Every single nut and bolt is customized to the owner's dream. Cons. On the downside, accessibility is the biggest hurdle, with a price tag reaching into the millions. It's a dream reserved for a select few. Additionally, the intensity is so raw and focused that it might actually be too much car for a casual Sunday cruise. The Singer DLS Turbo is a love letter to the era of internal combustion. It is expensive, it is loud, and it is arguably the most beautiful thing on four wheels today. It's not just a car. It's a time machine that goes very, very fast. But with the world turning electric, one question remains. Is this the final peak of the gasoline engine? Or is there one more monster lurking in the shadows? Thanks for watching 1 Minute Auto Glimpse. If you enjoyed this high-speed breakdown, hit that like button and subscribe for your daily dose of automotive excellence.